The man opened the bottle. He poured high-concentration whiskey onto the boy's chest. Then he put on gloves and disinfected them. He used the knife to cut open a plastic tube and placed it in the bottle. He wrapped it with tape. A simple one-way valve device was now complete. Next, he used the knife to make a small incision. He inserted the plastic tube into the chest area. Soon bubbles appeared in the alcohol. The trapped air in the boy's lung was being released. He quickly resumed normal breathing. The parents breathed a huge sigh of relief. People around began applauding for Sean. The boy's parents embraced each other with excitement. Sean and the boy then got into the ambulance together. He had a job interview at the hospital that day. During the ride, he kept monitoring the heart monitor. Suddenly, he noticed the boy's heart rate had changed, but the paramedic said it wasn't a big deal. He told Sean not to be so paranoid. The little boy was then taken to the hospital. Sean told the female doctor who came to take over. She absolutely needed to do an echocardiogram, but the female doctor glanced at the diagnosis report. She said his heart appeared to be fine. She told Sean to go cool off somewhere else. Seeing the situation, Sean tried to force his way in. Security grabbed him and stopped him. They threw him out. Sean was still muttering under his breath. At that moment, inside the operating room, the attending physician, Nick, saw the clever makeshift one-way valve. He praised it highly. The female doctor asked if they needed to do an ultrasound on the boy. Nick said based on the current situation, it wasn't necessary. Meanwhile, outside, Sean was still playing cat and mouse with security. He tried every possible way to find a path inside, but no matter which route he took, security would appear in front of him to block his way. Halfway through the surgery, the lead surgeon keenly noticed the boy's heart rate had slight fluctuations. He asked the female doctor why she had thought to do an ultrasound earlier. The female doctor told him about the one-way valve and Sean's story. At that moment, the boy's blood pressure suddenly dropped. He said they needed to do an echo. Under the female doctor's guidance, they quickly found Sean. They asked him why he wanted to do the heart ultrasound. The sudden questioning completely overwhelmed Sean with his condition. He couldn't express himself properly at all. Fortunately, the female doctor patiently guided him. Sean finally managed to organize his thoughts. He said he saw changes in the heart monitor amplitude. He believed the boy had fluid around the heart. This was preventing other organs from functioning normally. But Nick received a phone call. The ultrasound results showed everything was normal. Nick felt they were wasting time. He hurriedly left, but Sean firmly believed something was definitely wrong. The female doctor saw. He seemed to know what he was talking about. She brought Sean into the operating room. Sean looked at the boy's echocardiogram.
Again? 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 There.